In second place, we need to talk about the dictionary type, guys. Okay, this is another standard type for the what? For the Python. Okay, and so the dictionary. What's the meaning of the dictionary? This is called the data structure. Okay, which is used for searching operation. Okay, this can be compared with the hash table or map or lookup table, which are defined in the CPP programming language. Okay, and so as well as this one is a standard, and so this is the built-in type. Okay, you don't need to any import operation to use the dictionary values. This is just like the tuple or the list one. Okay, then the syntax is equals to the what? We have the fancy parentheses just like this one, and also we need to give the key values, and we need to value just like this one. Okay, and also we can define another key and another value, and it goes on just like this one. Okay, this is the basic syntax. So in order to understand these terms, and we will always do, we need to code it, right? Because otherwise we cannot understand how we can use these values. Okay, and so the dictionary values is defined with this one. For example, the Ali and 1 2 3, the Veli and 444, or Kamil 1 2. Okay, and so the print D can be written just like this one, and then we will have the Ali which relates to 1 2 3, Veli 444, and Kamil 1 2. Okay, and so in this case, in the type of the D, what are the keys, guys? Just tell me. What are the keys in this case? The keys are Ali, Veli, Kamil. Yes, Baran. Thank you. And so the value is the what? 1 2 3, right? And so in second place, we need to assign that the list, dictionary, or sets cannot be assigned to key. For example, if we want to assign to the what? 1 2 and 1 and 2 1 1 and 4. Okay, if you run this code, and then this D gives an error because it's the unhashable type. This is the list. Okay, and so we need to give this kind of terms, and so we cannot assign the list value or the tuple values at this moment. Just remember that, guys. Okay, this is a syntax error. Syntax error. Okay, so in another example, so we can define the cities in here just like this one, and so we use the fancy parentheses, and so the Ankara can be assigned as a key, and also we can give the what the Ankara possess to what for example the Çankaya and Ulus and Kızılay, right? And so the values can be list, but the list cannot be assigned with the what? With the key. Okay, and so for example Eskişehir, right? This is the key, and in the Eskişehir, Sivri Hisar and Alpu, for example. I don't remember this one. And also we can define the another term in here. Konya is a key, and in the Konya, Karatay and Meram and Chumra, for example. These are the definitions. And also we can print the whole cities just like this one. And so we have a bigger cities, and the other ones is the what is the small cities. That's belonging into the what? Into the key. We can use these terms just like this one. And so, how we can use or utilize these features in here? For example, if we have the cities in here, and so the Ankara can be called by using the what? The open and closest parentheses just like this one. If this is the key, is contained in the what? In the cities, and it returns to the values of these terms. Just like this one. Çankaya, Ulus, Kızılay. Right? See? This is a huge advantage to what? To reach some data related to this key. And so this key possesses the values of these terms, and so we can reach easily by using this key. Okay? But, for example, if we want to print this one, the cities, with the what? With the Keshan. What will happen if I run this code right now? Yes, Lion, thank you, because we don't have such kind of keyword or the key in here. Key error, okay? Key error. So, we can assign the new variable in here, the 10, Ali, and Veli, 20, and Selami, 12, 4, okay? And so the print D10. What's the output of this code right now? D with the indices of the 10. Yep, Ali. Because the Ali is a value, 10 is a key. See that the keys may have the different types in this domain, but in C or C++, we cannot utilize this feature. This feature is belonging to the what? To the Python programming language, okay? And so also we can reach this value with the what? With the get function, just like this one. This get search to 10 for in a key, and so this returns to the what? To the values of the 10. Okay? So this is the examples of the dictionary values, and then we can define the L number in here, just like this one. L is a list, okay? And so we can define the tuples in here. 26 Eskişehir, 6 Ankara, 34 İstanbul, 59 Tekirdağ. It's my country, okay? And so we can build by using this tuple structure based on the what? Based on the dictionary constructor, okay? And so dict can be called with the L in here. And so in this case we can print the D value just like this one, and so it returns to the what? To the 1 is a key, Adana is a value here. And so 26 is a key, Eskişehir is what? Is a value, okay? Just like this one, we can build these terms with the what? With the list within a list, okay? So if I rerun this code, we will have the same syntax. Or what happens if I choose the what? One of them is a tuple here. What will happen if I run this code? If I rerun this code, there will be no error because the list and the tuples can easily be converted into the what? Into the dictionary in terms of the what? The key and the values. Okay? So another term to define the dictionary values is the what? Ali 100, Veli 200, Selami 300, Ayşe 400, and the beautiful and the brilliant guy is coming, Emre 500. Okay, the print D can be rewritten in here, and so the Ali, Veli, and the other terms is equals to the what? Is equals to the case, and the other terms is equals to the what? Values. Okay? Any question? If there is no questions, more than one value to the same key in the last example. So what do you mean? In this case, for example, if I put for the Yara questions 200 in here, just like this one, see, the positional argument cannot appear after the keyword arguments. So we cannot use this syntax, but see that if I put to these terms in here, just like this one, see, we can apply to more than one values in here. Okay, because it's contained in the in the list or the tuple values. Otherwise we cannot update that. Just see that if you want to ask this question, for example, the Mersin, right? And so if I rerun this code and then just see that in the Mersin dictionary update sequence element 0 has length 3. 2 is required in here. See, this is also error. Yara, do you understand the meaning of these terms? Either we should give to one key to the one values, but this value can be contained in the list, tuple, or any other dictionary values. Did you understand that? The utilization of these terms, Yara? Yara? Okay. So, the other terms is equals to the what is equals to this one. The K must be unique. This is the rule to define the dictionary values. The 34, for example, R, and 26 is Kşir, and 59, what is it? Tekirdağ. And we can assign the 34 Istanbul. So what will happen if I run this code? No, there is no syntax error. But if I run this code and then the 34 Istanbul is assigned, because the only last element is included to this dictionary library. Okay, we can overwrite the key values, but there's no error here. Okay, Laya. Okay, so D is equals to the 1 Ali, and 2 Veli, and 3, there's always Baran, Berk, and 4 Emre. The last two guys are my favorite. Okay, so this one and this one should be given here. So the print D3. What's the result of this code? Baranberg. Yes, because the key 3, but look, this is not an index, this is the key value, because the D has a dictionary value. This is the overload of the dictionary functions, and so this 3 is considered as to the key. Okay, for example, we can assign to the this 3 is equals to the what? Estergon. See? And so if I put to what? Estergon in here, what is the output of this code? Yes, the same. Because the estergon is related to what? The Barenberg. Barenberg is a value. But estergon is the what? Is the key. So, what happens if I choose to what? Mehmet here. And so print D. What's the result of this code right now? If I rerun this code, this estergon value is replaced with the what? With the Mehmet instead of the what? The Barenberg, right? This is the update rule for the what? For dictionary values. Okay? So for assigning new key value pairs in here, just like this one. So the D1 Ali, or so we can copy all of these things in here, just like this one. This is the 3. Okay? So well, D10 is equals to the what? Kamil. What happened if I run this code? What happened? What happened? Nothing will change is not true, Lion. Thanks you're participating, but if I run this code, just see that if the 10 is not in this and the value is assigned in here with the assigning operator in here, and so the new values is updated in here, just like this one. Okay? Lion? Yes, new element added. The other terms, the important terms, is to what? For in and in out, or the in not. Okay? For example, if I run this code again, Emre and 1990 Süleyman. Okay? So the print 3 in D. What's the result of this code? Yes, true. Yara, so I will talk about the append function later. Okay, we'll come to it. And so in the tree we can search these values, and this is true. Okay, what is to what? The Barenberg in D. What's the result of this code? What's the result of this code? No, Baran. We can search only the keys, not the values. Okay? Not the values. Okay. So, the other example is related to the what? The casting. Different type. Casting 2. Different type. Print list D. What's the output of this code right now? If we only search the key values, if we are using this nomination, the values are removed from this syntax. And so only the key is converted to this one. And also the tuple has the same mechanism, just like this one. Okay? Okay, guys? Okay. So, we can create the example session about it. Examples 1. Okay. So we need to give the print, and then what? We can create a lookup table just like this one. the lookup table is equals to the what? This one, the apple is 100, the banana is the 50, orange 75, grape 150. Okay, so we can initial lookup table just like this one. The print lookup table is equals to the what? The apple 100, banana 50, and blah blah blah. Okay, so how we can search this value? Search key to search can be assigned with this one, for example the orange. Okay, and so if key to search in a lookup table, this is a valid syntax because we can search the keys, and so the printf f this one key to search is equals to what? Lookup table key to search. Otherwise we can set the print f key, see that, key to search not found. Okay, the orange is contained in here, and see that we can reach directly to the what? To the orange with the values of the 75. Okay, or in order to remove an entry in here, if banana in lookup tables, and del is a special function lookup table banana. In this case we can print the lookup table just like this one, and so if I rerun this code, just see that the banana is removed this lookup table, guys. F is a function in here. Okay, but which function? If we want to use to what? Some key parameters. See that this is what? This is string values, and so we can put these string values into this one. This is just like the what? The printf function in the C or C++. Okay, just remember that in C++ we can use the what? %d. And so we can assign this %d with relates to what? Some variable, integer variable. This is kind of this one. Just remember that if we want to remove these values, and so the key to search seen as to what? Is a normal string, but key to search is to what? Is our another variable. And so if you want to use this variable into the what? Into this string, and so we need to put add to the f at the beginning of this code. Okay, Lion. Okay, so the print just like this f, the number of entries in lookup table is equals to the what? The len num entries, right? Your look up tables. Okay, if we rerun this code, we have the 3 values in here, but if I remove this one, just see that this is included or the seen as to what? The len lookup table in here. Lion, I think this is clear right now, right? Okay, so just Lion asked about what? The append function. We have a special dictionary methods, guys. Okay, methods. First of all, we need to begin with the what, as always we do, copy function for copy. So D is equals to the 1 Ali, 2 Veli, and 3 Selami. No, Baranberg. And so the K can be assigned with what the copy function. And so the print K and D. What will happen if I run this code, guys? See, D and K are the same with another one. And so D1 is assigned with the 1 to 3. Okay? So what will happen if I rerun this code? What happens? See, if I rerun this code, the first one is not changed. Second one is changed. See, K does not change in here. But what happened if I use to what K is equal D? See, did you understand the difference between these terms right now? The copy creates the what the new elements into the what, but K is equal to D is identical address values for this one, guys. Yes, okay. So this is the first example. So how we can reach the key values and the items in here? For keys, values and items. First of all, we need to move with what? With the 4 is the Emre Gür. He's also a nice guy. Okay, and so how we can obtain the key values, keys. D has a special function with the what? With the keys function. Okay, and the values is the D with the same analogy, the values obtained, since the or we have the items in here, the items. This is also another function, another method in here. And so the print, the keys can be given with the what? With the types of the what? Keys in here. Okay? So if I rerun this code, see that this is the dict keys in the class of the what? The dict keys class, guys. Yes, Baran. In the copy version, we have a different address, but otherwise the address is equalized to each other. Did you understand that, Baran? Yes, okay. So, what is the values of these terms? The values can be assigned in here. Just see that the dict values is equals to what? Ali Veli Baranberg Emre Gür, and this is the class of the dict values, and the dict keys and dict values are different classes in here, guys. Okay, and also we can use items in here. Just see that the output of this code, the items, dict items is another term of these terms. Okay, and so in this case just see that the items contains with what? The tuple values with the key 1 and the Ali, 2 Veli, 3 Baranberg, 3 Baranberg, 4 Emre Gür, right? So also we need to put this one and the 4 updates. So just like to append function, the update can be used with the what? With this one, 6 Aydın and 7 Yara. Okay, and so we can print the D just like this one. If we have using this syntax, and so the Aydın and Yara are added with the value, with the key values of the 6 and 7 in here. Okay, this is called the list, but in this case we can use this function. And so what happens if I change this value with this one? For example, 8 and 9 but instead of using the list we can use the tuple. What happens? See, we can add the new numbers just like this one, or see what happens. If I choose the 8 Aydın, 9 Yara, what happens? 10, 11. See, update expect that most of one argument got 2, which means that we cannot put the arguments as a 3, as a 2 in here. Update must always get the 1 argument, which means that if we have 2 updated value, and so we can collect these values by using the tuple or list values. Okay, yes, you can perform the arithmetic operation on the integer dict values, guys. For example, can define the new variable Mehmet and 5. Okay, so this is an error. The D Mehmet, see, this is the 5, and so times 2, see, 10 minus 5. See, are you okay with this syntax, Yara? Okay, but what happens if I choose to this one? For example, D Mehmet and also D Mehmet. What's the result of this code? What is the result? Just see that if we apply these arguments, and so we will have to the 5, right? Because we reach multiply 2 minus 5 is seen. And so what happens if I reach this code right now? What's the values of this term? Yes, 9. Okay, so that's enough for the for the dictionary methods. In this case we will continue with the string type, guys. String type. String is another built-in type which is defined in the Python programming language. But before passing to string type, we need a break for 15 minutes, guys. Okay.